Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Open Google Maps now, make sure the app is updated, and allow location access so Street View can position itself. Once done, center the map on a place you want to inspect, pinch to zoom and drag to refine. If you already have an address or dropped pin, tap it to open the place card. These steps let Street View load the nearest panoramas quickly. Make sure connectivity is active so imagery appears. Next, find Street View imagery. Tap the place card and select the Street View thumbnail if shown, or long press to drop a pin and tap the photo that appears. Once you enter, swipe to look around and drag on the mini compass to rotate. This is how you change view direction. Pinch to zoom in or out of the panorama for detail. If you don't see a thumbnail, enable the photo layer so blue lines or dots reveal available Street View coverage. To finish, navigate within Street View by tapping the forward arrows on the road and swiping to change direction. This moves you along connected panoramas. When you're done, tap the X or use the device back button to return to the map and save the location if you want. If Street View won't load, make sure location and storage permissions are granted, clear the app cache, or toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data. That often fixes missing images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.